Hello everyone. My name is Gabriel Charles. I'm going to talk about computer management. Computer management refers to a process of monitoring, maintaining, optimizing the performance and functionality of a computer. For computer system or network, it includes a variety of administrative tasks that ensure systems to run smoothly, securely, and efficiently. And under computer management, there are a few components, majorly three: system tools, storage, services, and applications. I'm going to start with system tools, and under system tools we have task schedules. This tool allows a user to automate tasks on a computer, and it's majorly used for scheduling programs to run at a specific times, launch apps on login and startup. There's what we call an event viewer. This tool allows the user to record all important or significant events on the computer. Its major uses are creating folders so that others on the same network can access the files. It helps users to know who is connected on their PC, and it helps in monitoring open files that are being used. And lastly, I'm going to talk about shared folders. This tool allows a user to view and manage folders and files that are shared on the network. Its major uses are creating shared folders so that other networks, other computers, other networks can access files, but they must be on the same network. And it also helps to view who is connected on your PC, and also monitors open files being used. Thank you. Hope my other group members want to add on.
This slide is about storage. This is a tool where the user controls how disk and part are set up, maintaining the access. The main components of the storage: we have the disk management. This allows the user to create, delete, format, extend, and protect the drive. It also assigns or changes drive letters. It also allows conversion between MBR and GB disk. Initializes new hard drive before use.
Yeah, my name is Ayebazibwe Gilbert. I'm gonna talk about local users and groups. I'm gonna talk about performance. I'm gonna talk about device manager. Let's start with local users and groups. This is a computer management tool that controls users' accounts and groups on a computer. Its uses: it helps to create, to edit, or delete users' accounts. Also, it is used to set passwords and password policies. Then it assigns users to groups. Let's go to performance. System performance. This is a system tool built in to monitor, to measure, and analyze the performance of a computer in real time. In simple terms, it helps to measure the performance of a computer, as it is a performance tool. Its uses: it monitors the CPU,
the memory, the disk, and the network usage. It goes on, it identifies bottlenecks that slows down the computer. Also, it collects the performance of data over time for analysis. Then another use, it creates reports and alerts for unusual performance behavior. Then when we talk about the device management tool, this is a tool that allows users and administrators to view and control hardware attachments to the computer. In simple terms, this hardware, this system device manager, it helps the user to monitor, to configure the hard drives on a computer. Yeah. In simple terms, it automatically detects the hardware once the hardware is connected to a computer. Its uses, it lets the user install, update, roll back, or uninstall drivers for hardware devices. It also identifies hardware problems with warnings, signs like a yellow triangle, which means the device is not working properly or needs to be updated. Yeah, a yellow triangle with an exclamation mark. Then red X means the device is disabled. Actually, that's where troubleshooting comes in. Like once you see a driver has a yellow exclamation mark, it means that a driver needs to be updated. Then you troubleshoot, update. So another importance, it temporarily turns hardware components on or off. That's what I'm talking about, that when you insert a hardware, it automatically shows that you have inserted this, either a keyboard, a mouse, and whatever. Then it creates resource it checks resource conflicts between devices. And lastly, it shows a list of hardware components. Yeah, that's it all.
Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about the last tool of computer management. First of all, I was with Darius and I'm going to talk about services and applications. So this tool basically controls the background processes and advanced systems of features. So we're going to break it down step by step and see what it actually does. So first of all, we're going to talk about the services. This shows all programs running in the background. For example, the Windows Update, and also the print spooler or even the antivirus. Then next, it helps the user to start or stop or restart or even change how the system loads. For example, it can be automatic or manual. Then next, we're going to talk about the Windows Management Instrumentation, or in short, you can call it the WMI control. It is used for advanced system management and scripts, and it is also used with IT professionals use it for monitoring and automation. Then lastly, we're going to talk about the applications. These applications add some programs and management tools for apps which are already installed in them. So that was all that we were going to talk about in this presentation, and thank you all for watching.